What's up, guys? It is Pizza Master Night here, back with another attempt at car crushing on Thunder Truck Rally. If you guys are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. It really helps out a lot, so please pause the video, go subscribe, and you will not miss out on my content. Alright, last time my score kind of got messed up. This game is really glitchy. I don't know what's going on. It's just weird. But let's see what happens here. Now my score appears to be kind of stuck. It's not going up as fast as it was before. Well, at least I got number one again, so I'm happy with that. I'm really happy with that. Thanks, guys, for checking this out. I think this is going to be the last video for today. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I will see you all in the next one. Again, it is Pizza Master Night, and do not forget to subscribe. It really helps out the channel a lot. Later.